Are you torn between choosing the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 or the iPhone 15 Pro Max? Fear not, as we present to you a comprehensive comparison of these two flagship smartphones. Get ready to dive into the intricate details and discover which device reigns supreme in this head-to-head battle. Starting with the design, both the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the iPhone 15 Pro Max exude elegance and sophistication. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 boasts a striking foldable display that expands to reveal a larger viewing area, offering a unique and immersive experience. On the other hand, the iPhone 15 Pro Max features a sleek and seamless design with its edge-to-edge display and trendy color options. The choice ultimately depends on your preference for a foldable display or a traditional smartphone design. When it comes to display quality, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 excels with its dynamic AMOLED panel, delivering vibrant and true-to-life colors. The foldable display enhances multitasking capabilities, allowing you to effortlessly switch between multiple apps. On the other hand, the iPhone 15 Pro Max offers a brilliant Super Retina XDR display, known for its sharpness and accuracy. Whether you prioritize a versatile, foldable display or exceptional display quality, both devices have their unique strengths. If photography is your passion, you'll be delighted to know that the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the iPhone 15 Pro Max excel in the camera department. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 comes equipped with a versatile triple camera setup, offering a wide range of shooting options. Its advanced computational photography features ensure stunning results in various lighting conditions. Meanwhile, the iPhone 15 Pro Max boasts a sophisticated camera system, armed with multiple lenses to capture every detail with precision. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or memorable portraits, both devices are sure to satisfy your photography needs. Under the hood, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the iPhone 15 Pro Max feature powerful processors that ensure smooth performance and fast responsiveness. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is powered by a cutting-edge Snapdragon processor, while the iPhone 15 Pro Max runs on Apple's latest A-series chip. Both devices also offer ample storage capacity and support for 5G connectivity, keeping you connected at lightning-fast speeds. Finally, let's talk about software. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 runs on the latest version of Android, providing a highly customizable experience and access to a vast array of apps through the Google Play Store. On the other hand, the iPhone 15 Pro Max operates on Apple's user-friendly iOS, offering seamless integration with other Apple devices and a wide range of exclusive apps through the App Store. In conclusion, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the iPhone 15 Pro Max are exceptional smartphones that cater to different user preferences. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 stands out with its innovative, foldable display, excellent camera capabilities, and extensive customization options. Meanwhile, the iPhone 15 Pro Max impresses with its seamless design, exceptional display quality, and the unbeatable ecosystem offered by Apple. Ultimately, the choice between these two remarkable devices depends on your personal priorities and the operating system you prefer.